Hello DFT learners. Now let's move to one more visualization tool, that is Jmol. So whatever that material we have designed or we created that input file for that is the crystalline or that periodic material. So if we want to create some polymeric type of structure, then we need to use some more tool, and that is Jmol is one of the best tool for designing that molecules. And this is also good visualization tool. So here I will discuss about that what is actually GDIS is, and then this material designing, and how to create this output file by using this Jmol tool. We will discuss. So let's begin. Okay, so let me show you this web page of Jmol. This is very interactive one. So all the informations related to this Jmol, the overview, JSMol is also mentioned here, the samples, and how what we can perform by using this uh, Jmol, and that file format, it is compatible with this. So these are that file formats. There is no need of download because we have already installed in our system. And how to install that system I have mentioned in one of the lecture for this Jmol also. So let's open this Jmol by command window. We can just type Jmol, so this will be opened, and this is that window of that Jmol. And if you want to know about this, so this is the file system. So general that templates, different templates are there. So that is new, open, URL, and other things. You can edit display. So for the display you can give that symbols and other things, axes, boxes, and other things. And then view, so you can shift to that one. So that tool, so you can measure uh, that atomic color you can change, and you can measure the distance. Macros are also there. So if you want to open some xyz file here, let me open any xyz file. So it is compatible with this xyz file. So this is that you can rotate this structure by mouse, and you can zoom it out and in by clicking this mouse here. So this is the tool. Also you can change check that display part. So label, symbols, and okay, so that label name, although it's not clearly visible, but it is that the silicon things are there. And one good thing that is you can display that axis, so that this a different axis is given, and you can display that boundary box. So this is that boundary box of that things. And you can think shifting is not here. Okay, anyways, and also you can measure that bond length by clicking here. This is that measurement, and click any of that atom, and this bond length is given in nanometer. Anyway, so this is that the display part, but uh, we are going to learn how to design that that structure by using this. So let me close this, and again start Jmol with this, and let us start designing. So it's especially for molecular designing, although that some good database are available for molecular level, but if we want to design any material ourselves, then we can use this. So click here, and this is that the default carbon is appeared on that screen, and here you can uh, create that add some atoms and other things, and by dragging here and there. So just by dragging mouse from here to here, we can add one more carbon, and again I will click and drag that mouse, and that these are four atom, and 5 and 6. Yeah, this is 6 one, and now let me connect this. So here that 6 carbon cycle is here, and let me create alternate. So bond, so double bond, here is this double bond, and let me, so by dragging this, yeah, so alternate double bonds are here. Yeah, so this is that thing which we know as a benzene ring, but it's not looking like a benzene ring. So we will minimize here. So just here, click this and minimize this. So this that optimized benzene ring, looking good. And if you want to save its a structure, then just right click on the screen, and here that save file s. So here you can save this in form of mol or different file format, and but I just want to save this as benzene.xyz. Save this. So here that file will be generated as yeah, this one, benzene.xyz. So this is that xyz, our saved file. Okay, so that one can export that image, uh, and that image that is in form of jpg. So you can have this benzene.jpg, and we can save this. So this is the method to design that molecule things, and you can create new materials. You can add hydrogen, you can remove hydrogen, minimize, undo. Yes, undo is here. You can undo that file you use the same exit molecule bond. Even you can create that double bond or single bond, but clicking here in between two atoms. So I just click one single time, so uh, only two bonds are there. Now this is three bonds, so that again clicking, uh, so this type of you can things, you can change that bond. Anyway, so this is a good tool for molecular designing, and I generally prefer this to use. Okay, thank you all.